Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Acetyl Coa utilization. So first is there is a metabolic fates of acetyl Coa. So this includes first one being the glycolysis. After glycolysis comes the pyruvic acid. So after pyruvic acid is the acetyl Coa, and then comes the citric acid. So the contributors to the acetyl CoA, it includes the proteins as well and the amino acids, the fatty acids, spirals, as well as the lipogenesis. Next, from the acetyl CoA, there is it moves on to the cholesterol. The acetyl CoA that is moves on to cholesterol as well as steroids, and the citric acid cycle has ATP generation as well as presence of the ketone bodies. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.